ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to McArthur Industries Group. So, a little bit about halfway through March, we'd say, and we've had our competition where we've got the giveaway for the Uniden compact handheld radios. These are a great setup on that sort of things. They've got external antennas, chargers for vehicles, also if you're 240 volt side of things. So please, you'll see these in this post of what you want to do. Also with this, as you know, being a competition, we need your integrity to go through and make sure you like our Facebook page, please. Make sure you share this post and also put a comment down on the back side of this here. So down the bottom, put a comment to say you've done this as well. So I've got your details to put yourself into this competition. What we'd love you to do, and as you can see a vehicle like this behind us at the same stage, is not part of the competition, but we want to see what you want to do to see how to repair these sort of things and get on board with what actually happens behind the scenes and how things work in here, is to go and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. A lot of things that might make it a little bit easier on you to see what has done, product knowledge and these sort of things that come forward. And also what you can do is, if you want, in the comments down below, to make sure there's things that you might want to know about that's not out there. Do you want to know about positive air pressure in vans? Do you want to know about what's happening in the new ACs? Do you want to know about actually finding out where you can get product at the moment? I can do something on that at the moment because we know that's one of the biggest elephants in the room, as people can't get product. So please remember, go like the page. What we need to do after that, share this post for us please, and also throw a comment down the bottom and you'll be in the competition to win. Have a great day and we'll speak to you soon. Thank you very much.